Hi, Kelly from Johnny's Vintage Motorcycle, here with a Honda CM400 or automatic or CM400T tank. I mean, it fits both. This is from a 1979. I'll show you the inside, try to get the best shot we can of it here to show how clean it is inside. Nice clean metal inside this tank. This is the green color, although a little hard to tell from the fading on top, but it's green with orange and red stripes, which indicates that it is for a 1979 because that was the scheme that they used that year on those two models. Overall, this tank is very solid. It does have a dent or crease there. Underside's pretty darn clean. Very solid tank. This tank would be great for an everyday rider, or if you want to restore it and redo this, that's up to you. But as is, it's a nice clean tank to put on your bike and use to have some fun. Thank you for watching. This will be on our e-store. Sorry, got it out of order there. I can